Hey there, Tia Silvasi with UF IFAS Extension, Hillsborough County, and I'm going to talk about succession planting in the vegetable garden. So here's the technique. It's late December right now, and I'm done harvesting the green beans, and I have I've been growing these kales and cabbage and collard greens. That way they are ready to plug in to the ground, basically the day after I rip out the green beans. So what I do to prepare the soil is I'll add a little bit of compost and work that into the soil, and then I'll go ahead and transplant these cabbages, and then they already have a head start because I've been growing them up in this pot for the last 2 months. So they're ready to get in the ground and produce big cabbage heads, because in a little pot like this they won't want to grow as well. So there you have it, out with the old green beans and in with the new cabbages that are ready to go.